The first half, second half, Makbul, is just in the story when the film progresses. Her emotion towards this boy has changed, and you see that. I mean, did you ever feel that the love is not genuine from her side? So therefore, she is in love. So she's a woman who's been betrayed by the person she loves, and then now you can continue to say, but don't not include that aspect, because that is something that you're missing the key ingredient of the film, because the girl falls for this boy.
Sorry, another thing. Because you said it's very easy for Zoya to go back to Parma, I disagree, only because if you do want to divide it into two halves, then in the interval when the first shock happens, till the time she actually accepts him and they get married again in the second half, there is a scene where I'm slapping him in the warehouse, there is a scene where I'm stabbing him with the glass piece, there is a scene where I abuse him. There are at least 4 scenes. Now, because the film is only 2 hours, we can't make it 16 scenes. But I think 4 scenes are more than enough for you to show that no, it wasn't easy for me to go back to him. I love him and I really want to go back to him. I would love to, but because I'm such a strong girl, my heart and my mind does not allow me to accept him till I see that he's become genuine. So I hope you didn't miss out those scenes, because I think those scenes will show you that she wasn't subservient. And also, if she was subservient to the relationship, it wouldn't have been her who took the decision to kill the two in the end, right? He still has the belief that, you know, we'll get out of this, we'll do it, we'll have children, we'll get married, we'll settle down. The boy is still there. And the girl is the one who takes the decision of no, and that's how the film ends. So I would say there's
a very nice scene that he's written in the film. At least for me, it was really nice. Is she starts dancing in the brothel. For a subservient girl, firstly, she would not. I'm saying even if she did that, and I come down and says, "Joya, ghungru utar," and she gives it off to me.
Yeah.
She says, "Ki zor zabardasti se tu mera pati hai, tu sach mein nahi hai." So that gives you an insight that she's not changed as a person. She still wants him to be a certain way. She's a certain way. She doesn't treat those girls as prostitutes. She's normal with them, and he has no authority to say that. And she says that ki jaan bachai hamari unhone. Don't behave like this in front of them. So she's not become subservient. When you love somebody, there's a certain, you have a soft spot for somebody. You want to give that person a second chance. I'm sure if you're in love with somebody, you would want to. Your heart would want to. That's human nature. So I think when we see films, we tend to be overly objective about, yaar, ye to waise thi, now ab aise kaise ho gayi. That is human nature, and we are playing to characters. So in that, you're allowed a certain change of emotion towards another person. It does not change the character. So that is why the word subservient is very wrong. Otherwise, she would apologize and say, sorry, ghungru utar ke wo baith jati hai chup-chap. And I would have said, agli baar tune kuch kiya na, maar dalunga. So that is subservience. When she becomes subservient, when he rapes her in the interval, she wouldn't come back to kill him in the second half. No?
I kept quiet because you still haven't said.
My name is Minalini. I would like to do a producing course here, so I'm here. My question is to Habib sir. That what was the most challenging scene or sequence to shoot in Ishaqzaade? Most films do have certain challenging scenes or something.
Well, obviously the death.
Okay.
Both. We have to nail it. All 3 of us, DOP, I mean the unit. And the lovemaking also was difficult. I was really scared. But I think it worked out.
I don't know, the whole bloody film is difficult. it's for me, the day on that film is easy, difficult. It's just, it's my first film, so it'll always stay in my, like I was an assistant on the film while being the actor. So for me, every day, I've been through every person's journey in that film for whatever reason. So for me, my first day of shooting was surreally difficult because I wanted to go back home. I wanted to quit because I was like, yeah, I'm not capable of performing this film. And this is after prepping for 6 months. And after my first day of shooting, I still felt I'm not ready and I'm not good enough. And I will not be able to cope with the requirement of being a professional actor and being able to give this director what he wants. And this is, I'm talking about when we are sitting in Lucknow with 250 people and they've already shot 7 days of the film. And I'm sitting there and I'm sitting in the van and I'm shouting to myself. I'm just going crazy shouting, saying, because that first day of shooting was just disastrous for me.
Also, you were supposed to shoot like, I think, evening onwards. and Gauhar and I, we were shooting Jhalawala that day. So he's
It's
waiting for
the
us to
scene where
finish.
Jhalla gets over the song and I enter on the bike. That when you read it in the script, it's a fantastic scene. I feel I didn't do justice to it. In the sense, I might have done a damn good job. I don't even know. But for me, I was just feeling that I can't act. I can't be an actor. I can't do this. This is not going to happen. I can't. It doesn't. Is this what I'm supposed to do? I can't. I was like. And then the bike was not working. Then we tried to start the bike. The starter broke, and then the headlights broke. And then I was getting in there, but I had to
And
come
then
in.
everybody's giving light going, light
And
going.
there's no light coming because it was 5 a.m. And then I'm supposed to ride the bike up on the ramp. And now Gauhar is standing in front of me. I'm scared कि ऊपर चलेगा तो पीछे वैसे ही रुक जाएगी. So I'm very very paranoid about everything. And this is my first day shooting in Shamji, who's the action director, is coming very calmly. Beta, tu don't think कुछ नहीं होगा. Everything God will bless us all. You just do very well. Just concentrate on this stage.
Ashirwad.
And I'm trying to tell him, sir, I don't know how to ride this bike. I don't know how to ride this bike. I've told my director, I've rehearsed a lot on it, but I've not rehearsed for the camera. As in, I don't know when to start and stop. It's very easy to ride a bike. It's very easy to keep riding and riding and riding. It's very difficult to do it on cue and then stop, and then you're not supposed to look tentative. You're supposed to look at hey, chapkal, chop, and then you're supposed to give another line after that, and you're supposed to. And I'm like, shit, I can't do this. And that's all I kept telling myself. So for me, the first day was disastrous, and I hate it.
It was so much fun to see him like that. Session has started.
Thus, the director of the film, Mr. Habib Fazal, and the actors Arjun Kapoor and Pariniti Chopra.
Here is a film which is talking about the divisive society that we are, and in that divisive society, people are ugly and they are bluntly ugly. So that was a very, very balanced lot who saw that. I think ultimately, having watched the film, then they figured what is the intent. We do have whole of their love banter and the Haramzadeh, Ishaqzadeh stuff. The film doesn't have abusive language. So I guess they saw what the basis of that they gave it the rating that they gave. Being an editor, yeah, I have a system of distancing myself enough from that as a director to then turn around and say, who the F has written this?
Very often also, very often.
And
Kiss Gadhe nahi likha.
So, but the whole point about honor killing was already there in the script from right from the story point of view. I mean, right from the story when you were writing that honor killing has to be integrated somewhere or the other. Because what I felt...
Not integrated. The film was about honor killing.
Yeah, I mean, what I felt was when they kill each other with the last bullet they have, I felt a feeling, I mean, it was incomplete for me somehow. I felt kuch aur aayega abhi, you know. Maybe I was just discussing it, maybe, you know, when Parma betrays Zoya at the...
For taking out their time from the schedule, please accept the small token of appreciation.